Hi, it's me, Kylie, and I'm so glad you're here because today we're in my backyard playing with bubbles!
Let's make different bubble recipes and different bubble wands so we can find out which ones we like best.
Recipe number 1. 4 cups of water, 1.5 cups of corn syrup, and 1 cup dish soap. Number 1, done. Recipe number 2. 3 cups water, 1/4 cup of dish soap, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and a 1/2 tablespoon baking powder? Cool. Recipe number 2, finished. Recipe number 3, 4 cups water, 1/2 cup of glycerin, 1/2 cup of soap. Number 3 is done. 1 more recipe to make so that we can compare them. Recipe number 4, 3 3/4 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon rubbing alcohol, 5 tablespoons of dish soap, and 1/4 teaspoon, little itty bit of xanthan gum. All of our bubble mixes are complete. Do you have any predictions? That means a guess on which one is going to be your favorite? I can tell you which one's my favorite color. Look at how beautiful that is. I had to use a different kind of dish soap for this one than this one. Can you tell the color difference? I sure can. I'm gonna guess that maybe number 3 works the best. I don't know why, I just like the number 3. All right, let's let these sit for a little while because they do better if they can rest and really get all mixed up in there. And while we wait, you and I are going to make some different bubble wands that we can test out too. So many things to test today. You guys wait over here. Supplies. Straws, pipe cleaners, yarn, duct tape, an old bottle, scissors, and oh yeah, if you have one, an old sock. The first thing we're gonna do is bend a bubble wand with our pipe cleaners. I'm gonna make one that looks like a bubble wand that I'm used to using. A circle with a little handle. Next, we're gonna make a bubble wand for giant bubbles. Big, huge, massive bubbles. Bubbles that are bigger than the container that they come in. The way that we're gonna do this is to use yarn and straws. Check it out. Take a straw. Thread your yarn through the straw like it's a big, long, strawish bead. Like that. Now, one more. Tie a little knot. Good to go. Next up, don't need this part. I'm gonna cut the end off of this so that we can dip this big bottle in the bubble and blow it this way. Hello in there. I have another idea for this bottle besides just using it this way. I saw this online and I really want to try it. I never have before. This is where we need our old sock. This is gonna be a sock you don't use anymore, like maybe you lost the match or maybe there's a big hole in it. Don't go grabbing somebody else's sock and cutting it up, okay? Okay, you're gonna cut the end off like this. Then, once you're done trying this out, you can put this right on the end, dip that in the bubbles, and see what happens. I can't wait till we try that together. Usually bubbles are spheres, they're round, but if we made the end a different shape, do you think we can make our bubbles a different shape? Let's try it. How about we try to make a square bubble? just in case this square one doesn't work, I still want to see if I can get a bubble that's a different shape than just round. So I'm going to make a complicated cube bubble wand. Ooh, a cube bubble wand. That's right. I need to cut 12 straws the same size, a little bit shorter. Oh, it's like giving a weird haircut. Now use your pipe cleaners to build a cube. Oh, I already have one made for us to look at? Convenient. Cool, huh? All right, let's build it. When you get to the corners, you can just wrap that pipe cleaner right around. Love a good pipe cleaner. Cool. Then we just trim these extra little bits and add a handle if you want to. There we go. We have 2 cube bubble wands. What do you think is gonna happen with these? I don't know. But I think it's time to find out. Let's get our bubble solutions and start making some bubbles. Ooh, these look good, and they smell so clean. I'm gonna mix them up just a very, very little bit to make sure that everything is nice and suspended and mixed up in the water, but I'm gonna be very gentle about it. I'm gonna try not to make a lot of bubbles before I wanna make bubbles, you know? I'm gonna test each bubble with each bubble blower. Let's start with our classic round bubble wand. In bubble solution number 1. Whoa, well, it definitely works. Do you see that bubble film? It's stretched all the way across the circle. Now, we're gonna add some air. Ready? Ooh, it kind of works. We got a couple bubbles. There they go. Bloop. Ready for number 2? All right. Got a good film. That was ginormous. Number 3, here we go. I'm gonna guess that maybe number 3 works the best. Time for number 4. Whoa, I can already tell that this film is thicker. Can you see it? Let's see if that makes a thicker, better bubble. Woo! That bubble had quite a journey. Let's try a different wand. Thank you, circle. Let's try this bad boy, number 1. Ooh, that looks cool. Look. Boom, 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 boom. What? That's beautiful. Number 2. Ooh. These seem to be popping pretty quickly. Number 3. Number 3, you are underwhelming. Bloop. Number 4. Bloop. Who likes number 1 the best? Number 2? Number 3? Number 4. I think I like number 4 the best. Let's keep trying different wands. This kind works a little bit better if you let it soak in the solution first for a little while, so I'm just gonna put it right in here. You get soaking. Still round. We made a square with bubbles. But still, turns into a circle. Let's try the sock. Put our bottle that way. Flip the sock over the top. Secure with a rubber band. Now, I also saw where you could add a little bit of food coloring to the top of your sock. I don't know. We're gonna dip it in. That's amazing! It looks like a snake. I made a hash brown length bubble snake. Time for the big bubble maker. Okay. There's a lot more things we can try, but that was so cool that all I want to do right now is make giant bubbles with you. You want to do it? Okay, let's play. So much fun learning and experimenting with you today, but mostly just hanging out with you. If you want to make more things with me, just search for Kylee Makes It. Kylee. That's me. I'll see you next time.